The almost 300 horsepower 2018 Sienna gives a tire-turning shock in the event that you give it an excessive amount of gas from a stop, yet the Toyota generally conveys what you'd anticipate from a minivan entering its 8th model year without a noteworthy update. At the point when the Highlander isn't sufficiently enormous for your family and the Sequoia is far more cash than you understood, the Sienna is prepared to serve your requirements. In case you're more keen on a stacked 2018 Sienna Limited than the sportier SE, does the Toyota still have what it takes to rival refreshed adversaries? Venture inside, and you'll see that Toyota pros the most critical test for any minivan: lodge space. There's a huge amount of space in each of the three lines, and considering I'm around 6 feet 4 inches tall, it's no little accomplishment for any 3-push vehicle to get a passing evaluation in the sit behind myself test. The backs of the second-line seats are delicate, which help make the third-push situates more agreeable when your knees touch the seat backs, and the side windows are a good size, which keeps third-push travelers from feeling excessively shut in. Sooner or later, in any case, you'll quit playing with the limited trim second-push Chiefs seats with reclinable hassocks and really drive the 200.6-inch family hauler. What you'll acknowledge with the 2018 Sienna Limited, however not on, say, the energetic SE, is its incredible ride quality. Of course, it's excessively bouncy over turnpike development joints, however the minivan is sufficiently smooth wherever else that it's a commendable exchange-off. There's no genuine preferred standpoint to the moderate proportion directing, which requires excessively push-to-control at bring-down rates. Toyota says the Sienna's electric power controlling framework gives additional torque at low speeds to make it simpler to turn the wheel. However, we might want to see the guiding refreshed to encourage bring-down speed moves. When you leave the parking garage, the Sienna has the same amount of body move as you'd anticipate from a non-SE minivan, and inclination improved via seats that aren't exactly as agreeable as those second-push skipper's seats. Toyota still offers the main all-wheel drive choice in its section. However, when you combine the intense 296 horsepower 3.5-liter normally suction V6 with front-wheel drive, as most purchasers will, the screech of the tires will wake the neighbors in the event that you give it a lot of throttle. In excess of one editorial manager was found napping by this. Truth be told, relayed street test proof feeder Eric Ayapana needed to artfulness the throttle to accomplish an S-type 0-60 mph time of 7.1 seconds. That time sets the Toyota minivan mid-pack against the Honda Odyssey Elite, 6.9 seconds, Chrysler Pacifica, 6.7 seconds for the touring model and 7.7 seconds for limited, and the Kia Sedona, 7.8 seconds for our long-termer. Similarly as with the 2017 model, the 2018 Sienna matches its refreshed V6 to an 8-speed program transmission that does its activity well. However, we experienced 2 or 3 occasions where the transmission moved more relaxedly than what we expected with the modestly intense utilization of throttle. For a minivan, the 2018 Sienna Limited performed superior to testing executive Kim Reynolds expected on our Figure 8 course, which measures driving attributes, for example, quickening, braking, cornering, and the advances between them. Reynolds valued the Sienna's great adjust on the skid pad, and like Ayapana, he complimented the auto's brakes. The 2018 Sienna handed over a Figure 8 execution of 27.7 seconds at 0.60 grams, normal, which beats the Odysseys and Sedonas we've tried yet misses the mark regarding the non-half and half Chrysler Pacificas we've tried. Because of an additional 30 horsepower and another transmission, the 2018 Sienna even beats the 2015 Sienna SE on the Figure 8 course and by about a half second to 60 mph.